Okay, the Logi Circle 2, which you can see right down here on the table, is one of our newest home security and connection cameras. And I can go ahead and move over here. We have two models, the wired version, which you see on the left, and our wire-free version on the right, both of which use our same software, which is the Logi Circle app, which gives you 24 hours of cloud storage, unlimited HD streaming, night vision, and 180-degree field of view, and some other great features with our subscriptions, which include person detection, area detection in your feeds, so you can highlight a window or a door. One of the great features about this, and I can go ahead and show you, is that these come with a set of mounts that you can use to adjust the camera to your needs in your home. So if I decided that I wanted to mount this on a window instead of with a battery pack, I can go ahead and grab the Circle 2 window mount, which will mount it right up against the window. It lets you use the night vision right up against a window, which is an issue some cameras have. You can also mount to, say, a replacement battery pack. It has a 3-month battery life, up to a 3-month battery life in wire-free mode, which means that as that's getting low, you can replace it with another one, have it charged up, and keep your whole house charged with very, very minimal effort. Or, as you can see here, we have this plug mount, which is great paired with the 180-degree field of view, because that means you can put it up against one wall in one side of your room, capture both doors on each side and the entire room without having to angle it or adjust it like you would with some other models.